Hello guys, in this section of tutorials we will create an awesome sign up form using HTML, and we will apply JavaScript on it. It responds instantly, so that if user has not entered his name or his email address, then we will show alert or error message to him that he has not entered a value in the form. Okay, but this time we will giving error through the text on the body, okay, but not by alerting. Okay, so from early videos we were showing the error or pop-up message using alert, but in this section of tutorials we will not use alert. Okay, we will use simple a div tag on the top of our form who will display or that will display our errors. Okay, so in this tutorial we will set up the form. Okay, let me remove this crap. Now let's begin. You guys know how we make a form in JavaScript, but if you don't, then follow me. What you need to do is just open and close form tag. Okay, we provide different attributes here like method and other things. You know what we provide, but first let's set up the basic structure. Okay, I'm gonna write input type text, and I'm gonna say a placeholder is another attribute in the HTML5 which appears in the text field. Like you can see there is a text field and it says enter your name. Okay, I'm gonna say the same enter no just first name. Okay, I'm gonna copy and I'm gonna paste 2 times. Type text placeholder first name, and it says last name, and it says email. Password too, yeah, password. Let's get password too, and it says password if you want. And there's another field which says re-enter password, but we don't need to write that now. Okay, these 4 are enough, I guess. Now let's make a submit button. Input type button, and it says oh no, not placeholder in the button, it's a value. It takes value. If you want to display something on the button, we use value tag. Okay, you guys know how these things work. I guess only those students are taking this course who know about HTML, but if you don't know about HTML, don't worry. So now let's write the value submit. Now let's check this how it's working. Click on run. Run in Chrome. You can see it looks ugly. Okay, it's not looking good. We don't want it to be like this. What we need to do is use break tags. Okay, let's use break. Let's write a break tags is basically breaks the element or put a break to the element, and the next element goes down to that element. Okay, there are many syntax of break. You can write break only by writing this, but you can write this way too. Let's put a break here. Okay, now let's check this out how it looks now. Let me indent it so it looks good. Let's refresh it. You see, but it still looks bad. Okay, what we need to do is just let's write the name of the field so it will look good. Okay, this is says first name. Let's write first. You can use a label tag if you like. That is the tag of that tag is in the HTML5. It says last name, But if you guys know how we can set up this structure, you can skip this video if you like. Okay, if you know how we set up the structure of a form, you can set up the structure any way you want. Okay, you can make it more beautiful, but this is just a demonstration that I'm showing you. Okay, this is not a very beautiful or very awesome form. Okay, now let's put breaks in after these labels so it will look more good. We'll put a break here, and here we're gonna increase another break, so we want some distance between these elements. Now it will look more awesome. Okay, see now how it looks. It looks better than earlier. Yeah, it looks good. But if we remove these placeholders, it will look more beautiful. Okay, but if you don't want to put label like I did, this email last name, you can use placeholder instead. Many websites are using placeholders. Now the trend of label is almost dying, or you can say now there is no trend of first name last name, but you can write it. Okay, I'm not saying you to remove, but you do whatever you like. Okay, that's what I can say. But I'm gonna remove placeholder. Without placeholder, the form that I have made will look good. Now check this out. Yeah, now it looks more cooler. We can apply CSS on it, but I'm not getting my hand dirty in CSS. Okay, so I want to make this simple. Okay, that's why I'm not using CSS, but you can make this more beautiful if you like, if you know how to work with CSS. So in the next tutorial we will apply JavaScript on it.